Who's this for? Oh.
The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Borden County in western Texas, northeastern Dawson County in western Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near O'Donnell, or 14 miles northeast of Lamesa, moving north at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour with gusts.
Oh.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh, God.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
No.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Where's the great
Locations impacted include Hancock and Arvana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This tax season, there's 0 fees to switch. Enjoy Metro's lowest price. Just $25
The severe thunderstorm warning for west central Borden County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has weakened. Moved out of the warned area.
Holy.
Therefore, the warning
Yeah,
has been
that's a cyclone right there.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Time for western Texas. The severe thunderstorm warning for west central Borden County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has weakened. Moved out of the warned area.